Welcome to the top best. The best Monopoly is probably one of the most iconic and enduring board games ever created, a timeless classic that has brought families and friends together for generations, offering a thrilling blend of strategy, luck, and negotiation as players buy, sell, and trade properties in a quest to bankrupt their opponents and become the ultimate real estate tycoon, making it a perfect addition to any game night or a fantastic gift for board game enthusiasts of all ages. Number 5. Queensell Dominos Set, Double 6 Classic Board Game. Introducing the Queensell Dominos Set, a classic board game perfect for family fun. This set brings timeless entertainment for both kids and adults. Crafted with durability in mind, each tile features indented, well-painted dots that are built to last. Enjoy years of gameplay with these high-quality, eco-friendly dominoes. Gather your friends and family for an engaging game. This set is designed for 2 to 4 players, ensuring fun for the whole group. Looking for the perfect gift? This domino set makes an excellent present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's great for kids and adults alike. Your new domino set comes complete with a stylish brown wood case for easy storage and portability. Keep your game organized and ready for travel. This is a standard double 6 domino set, featuring 28 classic black dotted ivory tiles. Each tile is numbered for easy play and recognition. What we like? This set offers durable, high-quality tiles that are built to last for years of enjoyment. It comes conveniently packaged in a classic brown wood case, making storage and transport a breeze. If you're looking for a classic game night option that's suitable for both kids and adults, this is a fantastic choice for family gatherings. What people say? The game is a classic and a great way to spend time with family and friends. The board is well designed and the pieces are made of good quality material. It's a fun and engaging game that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. Number 4. Monopoly the 1980s edition by Winning Moves Games USA. Step back in time with this classic property trading game. It's the fast-dealing Monopoly experience you know and love, reimagined for the 1980s. Relive the nostalgia with authentic 1980s artwork and components. This edition brings back the original look and feel that made it a family favorite. Choose from 9 authentic tokens from the 1980s era to play with. Will you select the battleship, race car, or another classic favorite? Compete to own the best properties, build houses and hotels, and charge rent. Your goal is to bankrupt your opponents and become the wealthiest player. The more you acquire, the more you can build. Accumulate wealth quickly in this timeless property trading game. Perfect for 2 to 8 players, ages 8 and up. It's the ultimate game night staple for creating lasting memories. What we like? Relive the golden age of property trading with this edition featuring original 1980s artwork and iconic tokens. It brings back the classic Monopoly experience that many grew up with. If you're a fan of retro gaming or want to share a piece of your childhood with younger generations, this is the perfect nostalgic pick. What people say? The classic Monopoly board game is a great way to spend time with family and friends, offering hours of entertainment and strategic gameplay. This edition of Monopoly features updated game pieces and a sleek, modern board design that enhances the overall playing experience. Monopoly is known for its engaging gameplay that teaches basic financial concepts like investing, trading, and managing money, making it both fun and educational. Number 3. Monopoly National Parks 2020 Edition. Discover the beauty of over 60 national parks across the United States. This special edition brings iconic locations right to your tabletop. Experience the thrill of buying, selling, and trading properties featuring stunning landscapes like the Grand Canyon, Yellowstone, and Yosemite. It's the classic game you love with a breathtaking new theme. Play with one of 6 custom tokens, including a ranger hat, tent, canoe, bison, hiking boot, and camera. Each one adds a touch of adventure to your game. This game is educational and fun for all ages. Plus, you'll be supporting a great cause, as a portion of proceeds goes to the National Park Foundation. The game includes a game board, collectible tokens, title deed cards, custom money, houses, hotels, dice, and rules. Everything is included for an immersive experience. Gather 2 to 6 players, ages 8 and up, for a game that lasts 60 minutes or more. It's the perfect way to create lasting memories. What we like? Explore the beauty of America's national parks as you buy, sell, and trade iconic locations. This edition is not only fun but also educational, making it a great way to learn about these natural wonders. If you love the outdoors, enjoy learning, and want your game purchase to contribute to a good cause, this is an excellent option. What people say. The classic Monopoly game is a great way to spend time with family and friends. It's easy to learn and play, making it a good choice for all ages. The game includes all the familiar properties, chance and community chest cards, and tokens. Number 2. Hasbro Gaming Monopoly, Disney Mickey and Friends Edition. Step into a world of Disney magic with this special edition of Monopoly. It's the perfect way to revisit cherished cartoon moments with Mickey Mouse and his beloved friends. This game is a dream come true for any Disney enthusiast. It includes exclusive collector pins and a special rulebook, all wrapped in artwork celebrating iconic shorts and characters. Choose from 7 unique tokens to journey around the board. Will you be Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, Goofy, Pluto, or Chip and Dale? Collect rent by developing properties themed around classic cartoons like Steamboat Willie and the band concert. Expand your holdings and watch your earnings grow. But watch out. Rolling the dice also moves Pete around the board. If he lands on your space, you might have to pay a penalty. Stay sharp and avoid his stomp. What we like. Immerse yourself in the magical world of Disney with beloved characters and themed properties. This edition includes exclusive collector's items for true Disney fans. If you're looking for a game that combines classic Monopoly strategy with the charm of Mickey Mouse and his friends, this is a must-have for any Disney enthusiast. What people say. The game is a classic and a great way to spend time with family and friends. The board is well designed and the pieces are made of good quality material. It's a fun and engaging game that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. Number 1. Hasbro Gaming Monopoly Sparkle Edition. Get ready for a Monopoly experience that's out of this world. This edition brings a dazzling, sparkly design to the classic game you love. It comes with 6 familiar tokens, but with a twist. They're infused with glitter, so they truly sparkle and shine as you play. The fun doesn't stop there. You'll also find glitter-infused houses and hotels, adding extra sparkle to your empire building. Roll the dice and watch them gleam. This set includes beautiful pearlescent dice that add a touch of elegance to every turn. From the game board and cards to the packaging, everything features a glittery, sparkly design. It's a feast for the eyes. Buy, sell, and trade your way to victory. Build your empire and collect rent, all while enjoying this dazzling new look. This sparkly twist on classic Monopoly is perfect for family game nights. It's also a fantastic birthday gift for kids aged 8 and up. What we like. Add a touch of glamour to your game night with this dazzling edition featuring a sparkly design throughout. The tokens, houses, and hotels are infused with glitter, making every play session feel extra special. If you're looking for a fun, visually appealing twist on classic Monopoly that's perfect for kids and families who love a bit of sparkle, this is the one. What people say. The game is a classic and a great way to spend time with family and friends. The board is well designed and the pieces are durable. It's easy to learn and play, even for those who haven't played before. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.